to Jermaine All Natural. I am Jermaine Ryan. You may have seen my original video with going through the original Issa's Wash Day ritual. And remember, any pop-up videos will always be linked down below for you to watch afterwards. Boom! Sienna Naturals Untangled. And this is their rinse out conditioner. Before I kind of talk about this very briefly before we hop in the shower, number one, the buns, right? I don't know if these are considered space buns. Buns are buns, right?
Those tight little buns.
There are two of them. So listen, the idea was I was like getting ready to prep for the video and I'm like, oh, what can I do? What's kind of fun and silly? And I was like, ooh, I should do buns. And so, you know, I'm do a little comb and I'm trying to part it and I'm just dry pulling the hair up. Get to the mirror and I'm like, I did that? And there's still hair on the other side of the scrunchies. You know what that is for me? The growth. It's not a struggle bun. You know how if you like you bake muffins and you have that little bit left over and you still pour it in there and it barely gets over the top. Like it's not really rounded, it's kind of a little on the flat side. Yes. Of course, with all the Sienna Naturals, they are very clean ingredients brand, so never any sulfates, silicones, parabens, formaldehydes, SLSs, SLESs, parabens. Like none of the bad things are in there, no silicones. And of course, they source their ingredients responsibly. Their things are tested on textured hair. It says to uncomplicate your life. That's what I am going to do. Show you how it works, kind of do a first impressions of it in the shower, and then at the end we'll talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. All right, so let me go take my buns and get in the shower. Hey, it's me. Hopefully it's not too steamy in here. I've got steam heat. All right, here is freshly washed. It is looking and feeling rather good. So now to go in with Untangled, the softening multivitamin conditioner. So it says to use this, apply generously to wet hair. Detangle from ends to root with fingers or a wide tooth comb. Oh, and then it says, as a pro tip, it says that you can apply additional conditioner as a leave-in treatment for extra parched curls. Let's first impression this bad boy and see what it look and do and say. 5 pumps should be good and generous. There is the conditioner. And, ooh, okay, that is movie, very movie. If I were gonna compare this to a lotion consistency, geez Louise, this would definitely be sensitive skin. And for smell, I like this. Wow, it smells very fresh. It smells very, very fresh. Imagine something that is like labeled as linen.
Smells so good.
Linen and cotton, you know, like that type of scent. It smells really, really good. It's really, really, really fresh smelling. Able to relatively easily finger detangle. Just to make sure that I am being generous. Felicia. Quite impressive indeed, Precious. I think that was maybe a minute and a half. Maybe a minute and a half for this section. Now, even though on the bottle it says just to apply it and then rinse out, yeah, so a little bit of a difference between the directions on the website and the directions on the bottle. So like I said, the website says apply it, let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes, then detangle. And on the bottle it says just to apply generously and then detangle. So I'm gonna use both sets of instructions. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a generous amount, detangle put a shower cap on, shower. That should take me about 3, 4, 5 minutes or so. And then I will come back, rinse it out, and we'll see what it looks like and talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. Longer than 3 minutes, about 6 or 7, let's rinse. All rinsed. So let's talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. So the key benefits that it says that it is going to add slip for easy detangling and that it can be used for untangling. I was able to detangle with my hair with my fingers, and then with the Felicia Leatherwood, it took me about a minute or 2 per section. Okay. Felicia Leatherwood was really melting through. It was definitely melting through when I was using my hands, like the little knots. I was able to separate them and just kind of mush the conditioner around the knot and then split it apart with ease. So it detangles tangles and untangles them so that they are detangled tangles. It does the thing. The scent is really, really good. I really like this really fresh scent. So I looked at the ingredients, and remember I was saying that there was fresh, it kind of has like linen, cotton, summer breeze, makes me feel fine. Back to what it says it's gonna do. Boost hydration and moisture retention. So as of right now, my hair does feel like it is moisturized. It is very, very soft. Basically, it feels like it's been conditioned, which is where I can also see how this could double as a leave-in, just with how this feels being rinsed out right now. For me, it's not enough to be like, all right, done. You know, let me go ahead and add a leave-in. I mean, unless it's a really moisturizing leave-in, I always am going to follow with my deep conditioner. Period. But if you are someone that only uses rinse out conditioners, or if this is, you know, if you co-wash and then you use a conditioner after for that extra boost, I think this gives enough moisture for that. And let's see here, it also says it conditions, which I did say, and that it protects the hair shaft without dulling or weighing down the hair. Hair is fluffy. I mean, it's fluffy, right? It definitely does all the things. Oh, and that slip. So I again looked at the ingredients, and they got that slippery elm in it and that marshmallow roots. The things that are there that need to do the things to help you do the thing that it says it's gonna do is there plentifully. I think that it would make a really good pre-poo if you did use it that way. I enjoyed it. So let me know if you have used Untanged down below in the description box. How well did it work for you? So make sure that you press the like button, press subscribe because it's there. Why not? I'm a good time. Feel free to share this video out as someone else may need to see or want to see a review on the Sienna Naturals conditioner. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning into Jermaine All Natural, and I'll see you in the next one.